Hi YouTube, Me552 here talking about my loadout just now, and my future loadout will be here within all of it within a month or so. But well, here's my loadout just now. Hi YouTube, Me552 here. As I just explained, but this is my loadout just now. This will be for woodland games, etc. My future one will be for CQB. So let's talk about this. Well, under this we have just combats, and here we have a tactical vest. Mag pouches, grenade pouches. You can put anything in these big pouches, etc. It's big ones. This is a Viper one, and on the back here it's for water or anything like that. So it's for a gas mask, so that means if getting gassed or something, you can drink during it, so don't get dehydrated. So this is my loadout just now, and the guns I will be using for this loadout, in case I play any games, would be single shot S80 Spring 350 FPS, or my AEG M16 300 FPS I think it is, and my second will just be a spring gun. But the guns I've ordered now, the MP5, what I've done a later video on, that's coming today, tomorrow, or to the weekend, because it doesn't do weekends. It's a 24 to 48 hour delivery. So here's my future loadout next. Thanks. Hi, Me552 here again, as I just explained. Sorry I didn't have any face masks, helmets, etc. But this helmet, what I'm going to use for my future loadout, will be used on my woodland one. My future one, I forgot to say, I will be using it in woodland as well. So here's the helmet I will be using here, that I'll be using for my future, and my loadout just now. Here's a tactical vest. It says police on it. It's supposed to be an armed response unit, but it says police. So and here's the back. It will look on the back of me. So here's the back of the assault vest is here, and the primary weapon I will use is up here, and the secondary is here, not there, and it's a Glock 23. The Glock 23 is gas blowback semi and fully auto, and so is it MP5A4. I'm getting the Glock in full colour, only for games obviously, but an MP5A4 will be two-tone as seen in this picture. But there will be my future loadout, and here's just a few pictures of the armed response unit, what I'll look like in a few days or a few weeks time. Thank you, favourite and subscribe. Remember, here's a few pictures and videos about the response unit, what I want to look like. Dun dun dun!
I love and I like, fuck you. I guess the change in my pocket wasn't enough.